So today we're going to be modeling during laundry time, and I'm going to share with you 5 different ideas for what you can model on your Avaz. Let's get started. So number 1 is action words. You can start off by modeling when you get the washing started. So you could say, let's open the door of the washing machine. Then you might say, let's put some clothes in. So then we'll go ahead, we'll put some clothes in, and then after that we're going to say, oh, we need to close the door, and then finally we need to
turn off.
Oops, I made a mistake. Turn on the washing machine. So just in the first few steps of starting to use the washing machine, you have a range of action words you can model, and you can keep this going throughout the washing and even after you finish when you're putting them out to dry. So number 1 is modeling action words. Now coming to number 2. Number 2, you can model some descriptive words, right? So maybe you want to talk about the clothes as you're putting them in. So you might say, oh, these clothes are
dirty.
These clothes are dirty, so we need to put them in the washing. Or while the clothes are running in the washing machine, you might say, oh,
wet.
They are wet. And then you can even talk about the place, right? So we're going to put them inside the washing machine. So if you wanted to model more descriptive words, so like me, you can go back
home,
go into the describe folder, and maybe towards the end of washing, the washing machine gets really loud. So you might say, oh,
sound loud.
That's too loud. Or maybe at the end when you take the clothes out, you might model something about smell. So you might say,
smell.
Ooh, the clothes smell really
stinky.
Oops. Fresh. So you might model that the clothes smell really fresh. So there are again a range of describing words that you can model. So that's number 2, model some describing words. Now coming to number 3, you can model a range of requests. So maybe your Avaz user wants to help you out with the washing. So you might model
want.
Oh, you want to help me, using the code word want. Or for those users who benefit more from modeling sentences, you can model a sentence for them. So let's go back to my laundry folder. So we'll go to home,
laundry time,
and you might model, so this time I want to model the sentences in an excited voice, because usually your Avaz users may be really excited to come and help you. So I'll change the tone. I might use an excited voice, and I might say,
I want to add the detergent.
So if they want to help you add the detergent, you can say, I want to add the detergent. Or
I want to load the washing machine.
So if they want to help you load all the clothes in, you might model a sentence like this. So let me change the voice back. So that's some examples of some requests you can model. So that's number 3, and that's requests. Now, coming to number 4, you can model some negation. So maybe while the washing is going, your Avaz user wants to stop it and wants to take the clothes out. So you might model some negation by using the word not. So we'll go back to the home screen, and you might model, oh no,
not.
We cannot open this right now because the clothes are not yet ready. Or you might say they're not finished washing, or they're not dry. So you might use something like that. But you get an opportunity to model negation using the word not. So that's number 4. You can model some negation words as well. Now coming to number 5, you might want to encourage your Avaz user to be curious and to ask you some questions during laundry time. So for that, we could go into the questions folder.
Questions.
And you might, maybe you'll look through the washing together, and you'll go, oh, I wonder what's happening inside. And so that way you will get to model another action word this time. So if we go back,
home, go to home, laundry time.
So you can model, oh, the washing machine spinning.
Spin.
And I even have a cool GIF to show the spinning. So you can model a question word with a what. Now going back, you can model a few more questions. So maybe they're curious about
questions.
Once the washing is all done and you open and you see there's no water. So you might model, oh,
where
did the water go? Or, while the washing's going on, they might look inside and see bubbles. So you might ask, oh,
Why?
why are there bubbles? So then you can explain about soap and how the bubbles came. So essentially, through the questions, we want to encourage them to be curious and them to ask us questions, and we can be modeling it for them. So that's number 5, asking questions. Now I have another bonus one, number 6. You can always also model, let's go back.
Go to home. Laundry time.
You can always model the names of the things or all of the fringe words during laundry time. So you might model
Washing
machine or
clothes.
Water, detergent.
Detergent.
Again, there's a lot of fringe words that you might model as well. So that brings us to the end. Those were the 5 different ideas for modeling during laundry time. I hope you can try them out and let us know, and stay tuned for more.